Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the laptop. This prevents electrical damage and lets you see smudges clearly. Once off, close the lid slightly or position the screen upright for access. Grab a lint-free microfiber cloth and a spray bottle with a 50/50 mix of distilled water and 70% isopropyl alcohol. This cuts oils, but won't harm coatings if used sparingly. Make sure to remove jewelry and keep the workspace dust-free so particles don't scratch the panel. You should never spray liquid directly onto the LCD. Instead, mist the cloth lightly so it's damp but not wet. Starting at the top, wipe in straight, overlapping strokes down to the bottom. This reduces streaks and prevents trapped debris from scratching. Use only light pressure. Pressing hard can damage pixels or the anti-reflective coating. For edges and camera bezels, use a slightly dampened cotton swab. Once done, switch to a dry section of the cloth to remove any remaining streaks. After wiping, let the screen air dry for 5 to 10 minutes so remaining moisture evaporates. This prevents seepage into seams. Before powering on, inspect for streaks and, if needed, buff gently with a dry microfiber cloth. Use even lighter pressure this time. If oily spots persist, repeat once with a fresh cloth and less solution, or try distilled water alone to protect coatings. If you see discoloration or dead pixels afterward, stop and consult professional service, because that indicates a hardware issue rather than dirt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.